More and more people are concerned about the environment. They want to make responsible choices. This includes the electronics they buy. Consumers are looking for products that are built to last. They also want products that are easy to repair and recycle. This shift in consumer behavior is having a big impact. Electronics companies are taking notice. They are starting to prioritize sustainability. Companies realize that being eco-friendly is good for business. It attracts new customers and enhances their brand image. Legislation is also playing a role. Governments around the world are introducing new regulations. These regulations encourage companies to reduce their environmental footprint. For example, the European Union has introduced regulations like the ESPR and DPP. These regulations promote the use of sustainable materials and practices. Electronics companies are finding innovative ways to make their products more sustainable. One way is by using eco-friendly materials. This includes using recycled materials in their products. For example, some companies are using recycled plastics from old electronics. This reduces the need to produce new plastic. Another approach is to use biodegradable materials. These materials decompose naturally at the end of their life. This means they won't sit in landfills for centuries. Some companies are even experimenting with bio-based materials. These materials are made from plants, which are renewable resources. Companies are also exploring new materials for printed circuit boards, PCBs. PCBs are essential components found in almost all electronic devices. Traditionally, PCBs are made from materials that are not easily recyclable or biodegradable. However, companies like Jiva, Cytec, VTT and Intutech are developing new substrate materials for PCBs that are biodegradable and recyclable. These innovative materials offer a more sustainable alternative to traditional PCBs. Manufacturing processes are also becoming more sustainable. Companies are finding ways to reduce waste and pollution. They're also trying to use less energy and water in their factories. One example of this is the adoption of additive manufacturing, also known as three-dimensional printing. Additive manufacturing allows companies to create products with less waste. Traditional manufacturing methods often involve cutting away material to achieve the desired shape, resulting in significant waste. In contrast, additive manufacturing builds objects layer by layer, only using the material needed. This reduces waste and minimizes the environmental impact. Another area of focus is water management. The semiconductor industry, in particular, uses a large amount of water. Companies like Samsung, TSMC, GlobalFoundries, and Intel are implementing water-saving measures. This includes recycling water used in their manufacturing processes. They are also investing in technologies that reduce water consumption overall. The future of electronics is looking greener. Companies are realizing that sustainability is not just good for the planet, it's also good for business. Consumers are demanding eco-friendly products. Governments are encouraging sustainable practices. Emerging technologies like 6G are being designed with sustainability in mind. 6G aims to be more energy efficient than previous generations of wireless technology. This will reduce the carbon footprint of our increasingly connected world. The journey towards truly sustainable electronics is ongoing. It requires collaboration between companies, governments, and consumers. By working together, we can create an electronics industry that is both innovative and environmentally responsible. The future is bright green and it's powered by sustainable electronics.